Hello honeys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm here to tell you the basic thing I've been using for the past 1 year that has made my skin like improve. My skin has been like better and all. So basically, first things first is that I switched to natural products because basically I've been having so many issues with buying products that are in pack or something that are packaged by companies. I've had a lot of issues with them. My skin doesn't really like them. After a while, I noticed that my skin does not actually respond positively to them. Also, I don't know the ingredients like that, so I just stuck to natural product and it's helped me. So today I'm talking about African black soap, how it has helped me. It's helped my skin glow and everything. I'll tell you what black soap is, how to know the fake and the real black soap. Also, I want to show you how to make it, how to customize it to your own liking. You don't really have to, I don't think you have to follow any specific recipe. It's all your choice. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified when I post the videos. Join the family. We are very interesting and we are loving here. It's all love here. So let's get to the video.
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am. Right now you got it wrong, so sugar, come along and I'll show you who's strong.
So basically, what's black soap? Black soap is a soft, lumpy kind of soap that lathers a lot. It's 100% natural and it's vegan. So basically, black soap varies from wherever you're buying it from, depending on the area in Africa you're buying it. Basically in West Africa, and the major producers are Ghana and Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian, I'm also a Ghanaian, and I'm also Yoruba, and that's the major place where the soap came out from before it was shipped to Ghana. I'm gonna put all that story in the description box for you to check it out. So now let me tell you how to know when you're buying fake or original, because fake or ponta, the original black soap is never ever black. It is from light brown to dark brown, and it is never ever this color. Have a definite shape. You can easily build it together with your hand. Whatever shape you want to form, you can easily build it, and it breaks apart very easily. Also, it doesn't have any artificial fragrance. It has an earthy smell, nothing too fancy or anything, but it works. Like, it is the best honey if you want to try it for your skin. I've told you what black soap is. I've told you how to know fake from original. Also, I'm going to be showing you how to make it. I'm going to be showing you how I make mine for my own skin. So let me show you how to make African black soap my way. This is my grandmother's recipe. So honeys, basically I just want to show you different types. It can come in any form. Like this one is quite gooey. You can see how it looks like. The other one is a little bit lighter. Yeah, that one's a little bit lighter, but it's all black soap. It's all original black soap. As far as it doesn't come in dark black, this one is quite powdery, but anyhow I want to do, I can always squeeze it and make it into any shape I want. That's why you know it's original black soap. So basically this is not black soap. You can see how black it is, just dark in color, but it is not African black soap. So honey, to make your DIY black soap, just have to cut it into bits anyhow you want. You could use your hand, you could use your knife, you could use a grater, but the hand is way straightforward and it's easier for me, so I use my hand. So I'm going to start adding my oils at this moment. I'm going to be adding jojoba oil. I'm also going to be adding Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to be adding palm kernel oil, olive oil, honey and lavender. Basically I just like to add these things because my skin loves these oils and the honey. So I'm going to add water. I'm going to let it sit overnight. I'm going to come back to this mixture tomorrow.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
So honey, it's the next morning and my black soap has fully dissolved into the water. I'm just going to mix it a little bit and I'm going to pour it into old shampoo containers, and simple, black soap is ready to be used. I feel like when I see people adding glycerin to black soap has a lot of glycerin already, so I really don't see the need to add glycerin to it. My own personal saying. Then you can add so many, you can add oils and ingredients based on what you like for your skin or what you like for your hair. I basically make mine for my skin and for my, now that you have seen how to make African black soap and how you can always tweak it to your own, like, you know, to whatever recipe you want. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try black soap, or if you are seeing that my skin looks good. I want my subscribers to be in on it, to know that, okay, girl, this is what your girl uses, and that is why my skin stays popping. Also, please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button, and also click on the thumbs up button to like my video. Thank you. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.